Hi everyone, this is the fourth training video for you. This one will focus on the vocabulary story and the textbook quiz and grammar quiz. So every week you have to write a vocabulary story. I always get you started with a story, like this one for instance. You and your friends are driving to the beach and you see a UFO and I want to know what happens next. So what you need to do is use these four words, and these are from the vocabulary list. Use these four words to try to help you finish the story. Again, it can be very, very short. What you're trying to do is finish the story any way that you want, but use these words and show me that you can use them correctly. And then I will give you information on whether you were correct or not. And here's how you do it. You go up to the link here, assignment 7, and you will see the same directions again, and here's the story. And when you're ready to complete the story, go down here to type submission and simply try to finish the story. When you're done, just go ahead and click submit. So every week we will do a vocabulary story. The last thing we're going to look at is in this folder, Check Your Knowledge. And each week you will have a textbook quiz based on the information in this week's chapter. Okay? They're always open books, so please, you can always use your textbooks and a dictionary to help you take the quiz. The quizzes include vocabulary, information about sentence structure, sometimes a little bit of grammar, information about topic sentences, supporting sentences, different types of paragraphs, and they are multiple choice and matching and short answer questions. So let's open the quiz up, and it looks a lot like the practice quiz. And sometimes you may see some questions that are the same as your practice quiz, but that's fine. Sometimes you have fill in the blanks, sometimes you have multiple choice, and sometimes you have matching. And again, sometimes you have short answer. So it's really a lot like the practice quiz. And in this one, you simply write down the number 1 through 9, and then put A through I after the number. What you're trying to do here is put these sentences in the correct order. And when you're happy with that, you just click Save and Submit. And the last thing we will look at is the grammar quiz. Every week you will have a grammar quiz that either focuses on verbs, sentence structure, nouns, pronouns, clause structure, and the quizzes will always have at least three words from your vocabulary list, and you'll have to write sentences with those words. So let's open up a grammar quiz. Click Continue. And here we go. And you can see that these are multiple choice questions here, choosing the correct verb form to finish the sentence. Here, I'm asking you if you think this sentence is correct or not. Just put yes or no. Same thing here and here. And then here are your vocabulary words. You have 3 of them. You have obtain, distinct, and achievement. And what you do is you write a sentence here using this vocabulary word. And when you're finished, you just save your answers. And when you're done with the quiz, you just click Save and Submit. And that is it. And the grammar quizzes will always be like that. The only differences are the midterm and finals. And I'll give you more information about those later. So hopefully this will help you quite a bit. If you have any questions, you can always email me.